Hi everyone. In the previous video, we have studied that there are three types of iteration statements: for, while, and do while. Iteration statements are used to execute a block of time to execute a block of code more than once. In this video, we will be covering the first iteration statement, that is for. In this code, I have named a class for program. This class is public, so for program the class name and the file name is same. In the main function, I have declared a variable I, and this part is a for iteration statement. Here I have initialized I to 0. The second part is condition. I am checking that if 0 is less than 5, if this condition results into true, then this statement will execute. If this condition results in false, then this statement will not be executed. So once it is executed, it goes up here, it incremented the I, then it comes up again back in the condition 1 less than 5. If this is true, then it again goes back here, execute this println statements, and then again goes back here, incremented. So there is just one part out of these three which execute only once, that is this initialization I is equal to 0. I'll just run this program to show you the output. Java C for program .java. See, there is no error in file. Now I'll run it. See, value of y is equal to 0, value of I is equal to 1, value of I is equal to 2, value of I is equal to 3, and when value of I is equal to 4, so it is printed, then it goes back again here, then value of I becomes 5, then 5 is not less than 5, this condition results into false, so this block of code does not work and the control comes out. So in C or C++, if you remember that I said that any value other than 0 is true. So in C or C++, if I write here just 5, this will run infinite times, but in Java this will give us a compile time error because here we require a boolean and not an integer. So if I want to run it infinite time, I can just write here true, and this will run infinite times. See, now this will run infinite times. I'll just press Ctrl C so to end it, and if I skip this part, just put a semicolon over here and skip this part. Now let's see what happens. See, there is no, we have didn't initialize the I, so there it is giving an error. So I'll just remove this thing and print hello world over here. For using a variable in Java, you should initialize it. Now let's see what happens. There is no error. The hello world is printing infinite times. I'll just press Ctrl C to stop it. I'm just stopping it forcefully. So this part and this part is conditional, is optional. If you write it, it will work. If you do not write it, nothing happens. Now I'll remove this part also. See what happens. See, now it is also working infinitely. So if we want to run a loop infinitely, either we write here true, or either we make that kind of condition which is every time false. I'll give you example of that, or either just leave it empty, then it will run infinitely. What I will do, that I is equal to 0, I is greater than -1, and I plus plus. So this condition will always be true. 0 is greater than, and this is argument. See, either you can make the condition always true, either write here true, or either just leave everything empty, just put 2 semicolons, and this loop will work infinite times. So in this video we have studied about the for syntax, about the infinite loop, about the conditions, about the first iteration statement for. So this is all about the for. In the next video we'll be studying the next iteration statement, that is while. Thank you.